In this video, I will show you how to change your Facebook username. Open the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android device. On iPhone, tap Menu in the bottom right corner. Depending on your app version, you may instead see the menu icon in the top left corner, so tap that if it appears. On Android, tap the menu icon, which is usually located in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. Next, tap See More in Account Center. Open Profiles, then tap Personal Details. Select your Facebook profile, then tap Username. Enter your new username. As you type, Facebook will check if it's available. If the username is already taken, try adding numbers or making small changes until you see the check mark indicating it's available. Once you're happy with your new username, tap Done to save the changes. That's it! Your Facebook username has now been updated.